More COVID-19 cases in Assam. Total tally rises to 64. Demand raised for completion of college and school building at Taradong. NCC DGC unit steps in to provide their service for the ongoing crisis period. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansepi bringing you news in detail. Starting with the latest situation following the corona outbreak in the state, the fears of Guwahatians are increasing as 2 more persons from the city tested positive on Monday. Here is a report. The latest case was informed by Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma through Twitter account on Monday evening. Among the new patients, 1 hails from Morigaon, while second person is a permanent resident of Guwahati. The minister also informed on Monday that 5 COVID patients were discharged from Bongaigaon. With this, Assam had been able to discharge a total of 39 patients. As per stats available on Monday, Assam now has a total of 22 active cases. Meanwhile, the number of COVID-19 cases in India has climbed to 67,724, out of which 2,215 have also lost their lives. The rise of COVID-19 cases in the capital city has created fear among people, while district administrations of other districts are also worried about the spread, as many stranded persons return home from across different states and districts. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Unable to tolerate hardships and beatings, a minor boy from West Karbi Anglong district escaped from Nagaon and reached Wathatlangso on foot before being rescued by 1 local woman. Here is a report from our Dongkamukam correspondent. Babu Teron, also called as Longsing Teron by his parents Joy Teron and Kasang Lekthepi, is a 10-year-old boy from Mukindar. Babu had been staying in the house of a school teacher named Bipin Chandra Bora in Nagaon. For the last 7 years, it was his uncle who drops and picks him up from home to Nagaon. Babu was kept in the house of Bora with the aim of getting good education. However, on being asked, the boy told that he was allowed to go to school for only 2 days in a week. Rest of the days, he was engaged in grazing the cattle, washing clothes, gardening, and cleaning house. And if he disobeyed, his mistress would beat him. Unable to bear the torture, Babu escaped from the Bora's house and began walking at 9 p.m. on May 9. The minor boy reached Wathatlangso, where he was rescued by a kind-hearted woman, Karerong Pipi.
Tarik kep sandia ni lo arning kang sam baji ki thom baka por lo la su su nang ul thalang su nang kili amat komat dau suma pu arjulo ne inglong su pu arleng lam ta thek pa mi angke nang ko nat pen lo ko wang pu ne ke no gong aphangi ko chia to li pen pu si jutha ko chia to li pen pu lo ke mantu nang ado hadak pen wang pu ni ni aphrang lo aju ke ne kampur bang hotel along baranda seju mekijang polo ante nang king pen lok lo make bang ni king pen lok lo an sulong ma pu an ta sulong li nang ta julong le amat nang le rop pen eta arju o edet si lang pa chinglu mat an biskut pa chulo gaskut pa chulo pen an pa chukit ma an chole pen an ke lamar lo sumang hu hoy ke la kapire pen jat pen lo amat mang hu ante nang megjang ta to long su lo.
Following this, people of the district have urged the authority and social organizations to take more effective and strict steps to prevent such incidents in the future. In addition to this, people of the area has demanded for completion of college and school building at Taradong. Kabon Mili Tisopi from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. People say that education is the backbone of a society, and without it, the future of a generation is destined to be dark. But what good can be expected if educational institution is not in a proper shape? People of Daithar under number 26 Duarbagori MSC constituency have been hoping to see a good college in their locality, but this still seems to be a dream for them. Here is a report. The people of Dorbagori constituency became excited and their hearts filled with joy when they heard that a model degree college and model school would be set up in number 26 Dorbagori at Daithor. It was indeed great news for the people of the area that do not have a well-furnished educational institution. This was also supposed to be the first provisionalized higher institution in this region. The construction began, but sadly the contractor from Guwahati did not finish the construction. Following this, the construction work remained completely abandoned for quite a long time now. The government even remained unaware despite constant claim of Parivartan. As per the direction of the government of Assam, the institution was supposed to start the academic session this year, but so far there is not a single indication of the institution to ever see the light of day. The people of the area has urged upon the concerned authority and the government for intervention into the matter and action for its immediate completion in greater interest of the Dorbagori constituency and beyond. In addition to this, people of the constituency has urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to step into the matter at the earliest. It may be mentioned that the construction work began 10 years back, but the building is not yet completed. Liu Sheng Crispus Timung from Daithor, Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to assist and monitor the public maintain lockdown guidelines during this crisis hours, 20 cadets of the National Cadet Corps Diphu Golf College unit have begun providing their service as volunteers in exercise NCC Yogdan in the fight against coronavirus pandemic. Here is a report. NCC volunteer cadets are working shoulder to shoulder with civil, defense and police personnel in guiding the public in maintaining social distancing, queue management and to create more awareness at different busy points of Diphu town. These redesignated NCC cadets of 8 Assam Battalion are working as COVID-19 warriors with devotion and courage in the present volatile situation. DGC Principal Dr. Nirab Kumar Sharma stated that out of the several NCC units across Assam, the NER Directorate Shillong only called the selected NCC DGC unit for their service during this situation.
Important point is that you will like it and you will feel also very proud being in this place that our college is the only institution throughout Assam who has been given the call from Directorate of NCC, that is in Shillong, to offer volunteers for this purpose. And up till now, no college has given any volunteers because this is a very dangerous situation. Yeah. You cannot simply send them. That is not my duty only. By finishing my duty, it is not like that. I have done all procedures what are necessary for them so that at least they will feel also that we are secured. So this is the only institution, I repeat again, this is the only institution who has been given the call to offer volunteers from NCC as COVID-19 warriors from the Directorate of NCC. And up till now, in Assam, no college has offered any volunteers till this time.
The NCC officials of 8 Assam Battalion NCC Nagaon and the principal along with the caretaker teacher are monitoring the cadets while volunteering for the noble cause. It may be mentioned that the cadets are trained and properly briefed about the tasks before they were being deployed. Beginning from May 11, 2020, the NCC DGC unit will provide their service till May 31, 2020. Roshan Hanse from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. With the effort to reduce impact on families whose source of livelihood depends on daily wages, the Dolomara LAMS distributed essential items to families in Dolomara on Monday. Our Dolomara correspondent brings you this report. The third phase distribution of essential items by Dolomara LAMS is underway for both NSF and non-NSF cardholders. VDC Chairman Sir Koirong Par, who was present on the first day during the distribution at Malasi High School, informed the public that food items were previously distributed by different teams in which many families were left out. But now this has been addressed. He also urged upon villagers to follow the guidelines given by the government. The area lamps provided 20 kgs of rice, 500 gram of dal to NFSA families, while 10 kgs of rice were provided to non-NFSA families who had earlier been provided rice by other teams. Police personnel who were present during the distribution guided the villagers of the area who are not aware of the social distancing guidelines. RG Sonrong Parfor, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.